Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Alright everybody, you don't know who this already, and it's Skilla. And this video is a very awkward one. You know what I'm saying? It's all about a daughter that was abandoned at, a daughter that was abandoned at the age like 3 months old back in Jamaica, and the mom went overseas to look a better life. But obviously the daughter, seems as if she was abandoned because just look into the situation and tell me what do you think. Observe.
Sure is me. Miss Elaine, I'm sorry, but this is your daughter. This is your daughter. You left her when she was 3 months old in Jamaica. And this is her.
Oh.
And she wants to meet you. That's your daughter.
Who are you?
That's your daughter. You give birth
What's
to
your
her.
name? What's your name?
You know. Don't pretend like you don't know.
That's your daughter.
What are you talking about? I don't know.
No.
You know.
Back home.
Oh, you are Tingde Shanta?
Yeah, you know.
Oh, so why you come over here for?
She was a
I want to see you.
So why you never come to my daughter for her to see me? Why you come over here?
Because I heard you work here. So I want to
Work at the precinct? I don't work at the precinct.
Well, alright, that's
No,
not
inside of the
important.
precinct.
Alright, that's not important, no.
She was here.
So why you come over here to?
Because
let my boyfriend do
she rather do it in the precinct. Because you left her so long and she don't know you. She don't know how you're
so she
gonna
wants to
react.
find me and stuff like that?
Yeah, she don't know how you're
Oh,
gonna react.
that's cool. That's cool if you don't want to know me. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
You leaving me, Jay?
She wanted to see you.
So, why you come over here to see me?
Because she don't know how you're
But what
gonna
about,
react.
who are you? Who are you?
I'm her friend. I'm a good friend of her. I know her for a few years in Jamaica.
okay.
I know you don't know me, but it's okay.
No, I don't know
She
you.
just want to meet you.
Oh, then it's easy for you to meet me. I mean, you was with my daughter last night, ain't it?
How you know I was with your daughter last night?
Because I called her just early on and she said, Mommy, guess who's here?
So,
And I said, who?
so you know.
No, she said, guess
So
who's
why
here?
you pretending like you don't know?
No, but I'm like, who are you? I'm like, because I know you're supposed to be over Beaker or something like that. But I didn't know you were out in the street or something.
Well, your daughter told
hi.
me that you
it's
did
nice
cross
to see you and
garden
nice to meet you. And
Yes?
I'm happy to see you.
You are?
Yes, I'm happy to see you. I didn't even know that you were here. And, it's good. And stand up, let me see you.
Give her a hug.
Stand up, let me see you. Because I really don't know her when she was born and
Yes, stand up and
everything.
give your mother a hug.
Hi.
Stand up and give her a hug. It's okay.
If you don't want to give me a hug, it's fine. It's good.
But you gotta know she's angry. I mean,
No, it's okay. It's okay.
I don't know the whole story.
My mother left me when I was in Jamaica too, so it's okay if you don't want to hug me. It's fine. I have my love for her anyway, and I love you with the love of the Lord. It's okay. It's okay if you,
You
don't
do
want
love me?
I love all my kids with the love of the Lord. Period. I have nothing against you. When you call me on the phone
But how
that
could you
day,
have something against me?
when you called me on the phone that day, and you talked to me, and I said, who is this? And then you respond to me and said, you don't know who this. Are you picking it when you left me in Jamaica? And I'm saying to you that, why are you talking like that? That's not even cute.
No, but I should be cute?
No.
Really, I should be cute?
No, if you're calling me from Jamaica,
No, I should be cute.
If I'm in the
I
kitchen
said
cooking,
to you,
and I'm
I
cleaning
said
up,
to you,
and
do
I
you know
don't
who is
you are,
talking to you?
No.
and I don't know who you are. And
I
stuff
said,
like
do you
that.
know who
It's
is
hard to
talking
know.
to you? And you said no, and I said it's your daughter that you left when she was 3 months old, and you responded with and. And I'm saying, really, and? That's what you're going to say?
No, you said, oh, okay. And I said, and you start cursing. I'm saying, and you said
I wouldn't
to me,
just start cursing like that.
No,
I am
you
not
said
that
to
type
me-
of person. I
No,
wouldn't start cursing like that.
You said to me that, you know what, I'm not even want to tell you something. And then you just,
Oh my God.
and then you just,
Because you said and. I didn't expect that reaction
because
from
you were yelling on the phone.
I wasn't yelling. I said to you, to daughter that you left from
Listen.
she was 3 months old. That's what I
She said, you don't
said.
know who this? And I said, who's this?
But yeah,
And he
even
said,
if
you know,
I told you that I called her probably
and
when
at
I
the same time I
was
hung the phone.
when I was about 10
I don't
years
have to
old
tell
or
you no-
something
I
like
don't have to tell you
that.
no lie.
You got benefits, family?
I don't have to tell her no lie. It's not like.
It's as if the mom is both surprised and ashamed at the same time. You see what I say? You know, like you can see the surprise and the shame. It's like she's like, who are you? You know, and the little after when all of the confirmation, then she's like, so why you had to come here? Why you had to come here? You know? That's our workplace. That's a police precinct. You get what I mean? You know? So all the co-workers is going to be like, oh my God, she didn't do that. You get me? Yeah, it's tough. Now, yes, we know say, and everybody get it easy, even though she might be working in a police station and so forth, you know. For the benefit of the doubt, you have to look at the fact that she left Jamaica to go to America. Her papers, you know what I mean, might not have been straightened. For a very long time, it might be there and a straightened out. So, you don't know what is what. And by the time she finished straightening out certain things, contact loss, this, that, you name it. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, and normally when people say them straighten out them papers in America, that are if she run off. You know, if. I'm just saying that if. It's not a confirmation thing. It's not like we're keeping track of her whole life. But the fact that the daughter had been abandoned and we do not know why the daughter had been abandoned. Yeah, that's one. Now, the main thing now is that the daughter is angry. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. Because if I was that child, yes, I would be angry. And the fact that this young lady takes such time to find her way in this United States just to meet her mom, you know, it's not only that she's angry, but she wants to know where she's coming from. A phone call. You know, a phone call might do a whole lot. You know, and it seems to me like there had been a phone call that had been made, but it's, you know, the phone call they make, right? It obviously had to be the phone call like when them find her or something. You know, because she don't even know what her daughter look like. So obviously them not talk on WhatsApp. It's obvious them not talk on no phone where them a set and say, yo, we can see your face. So therefore, it seems like only one phone call make. Like, you have to, you know, I don't know what to tell you, but really and truly, she's just angry. Like, she is just really angry. The fact that she had been abandoned and all these things, you know what I mean? You have to sit with her and give her the benefit of the doubt, you see me? Yeah, you know. So you have to give her blessings and give her shout out to the young lady. You know what I mean? I don't go up say everybody keep it real and, you know, try to work out the differences as good as possible. You know what I mean? And as always, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, please you have to click the subscribe button to stay up to date to see what go on in and around the world, especially of Jamaica and on the Skilla Entertainment. You know the thing, go right? Just let me know what you think about the situation, you know what I mean? And I wish the best for these people right now, alright? My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.